But first, when we talk about being Philly proud, that of course includes the sound of Philly. Music has a deep and rich history in our city.
Absolutely, and with songs like Betcha By Golly Wow and Break Up to Make Up, the classics.
Yes.
The Stylistics are part of that history, and 50 years after their first performance at Carnegie Hall in New York, they're going back tomorrow. Our Ukee Washington has more on this iconic group that calls Philly home.
We became a part of the Philadelphia sound.
Arian Love and the Stylistics most certainly did, and still doing so to this day, and their fans absolutely love it.
It's such an important part of their lives.
In 1966, they formed in Philly by combining local high school rival singing groups known as the Percussions and the Monarchs. When the military draft called and the chance to attend college came knocking as well, just a few members remained and they turned into the Stylistics. The mighty three of the Philadelphia music sound included writer-producers Kenny Gamble, Leon Huff, and the late Tom Bell. Bell was hired to help take the group to the next level.
Our record company, Avco Records, were from New York, and they contacted Tom Bell to produce our first 3 albums.
Which officially placed you in the soulful, orchestral, memorable Philly sound, right?
Because of that, I think we're lucky enough to still be able to work.
Only 2 of the original members are working with the group now, but the lyrics, the movements, and the showmanship continues well after it started over 5 decades ago.
This year, as a Stylistics, we're celebrating 56 years. So that's quite a few generations. And because of that sound, because of that music, we have been able to travel the world and continue to do so.
Next stop, Carnegie Hall in New York City, this Friday night. Ukee Washington, CBS News, Philadelphia.